speech given ceremony with our optimistic outlook. Thank you, sir, for making me eligible to address this opening speech on this auspicious moment. Before I come to the topic, special note should be bubbled here within the atmosphere of the auditorium. It is just a person who learns like to make our life so special. Therefore, once again, I turn to your feet, sir. My dear friends, you all know what topic this time our teacher has said to be discussed. Yes, this year our topic is the Indian foreign policy. This topic is itself an institution. Therefore, all have had lots of problems to find out the apt words and necessary information to form our speech. As I did lots of research on the topic, I come to know many more things about our nation that has pushed us to go into the circle. India as a nation had got the opportunity to make its own foreign policy after 1947. Like you or maybe, our nation had lots of difficulties to set up its own policy without being influenced by the two powerful nations like USA and USSR. After the Second World War, the entire world was divided into two parts. In short, it is called Cold War.